this message is resonating so much with the activity which I had decided for today. All right, so you will see that this message resonates with that. So the message here for today is very beautiful. I will say it's very important, and few of the people in this group, they really want to hear that. I can't see them here, but they want to hear this, and I will have to tell them. Okay, so you are healing. You are still in that, the wounds which have been healed are very fresh, I'll say. All right, just say you can take it like the stitches lag chuke hain. All right, stitches have been given, and still if you meddle with that, if you are again trying to do something with those stitches, what will happen? You will again get the wound. You will have to allow that wound to heal completely now. All right, so here now, why am I giving this example is, like, right now you are absolutely required to consolidate your power. Do not scatter your power now. It's very, very important. Do not mess up with anybody. People might instigate you. Do not get into any kind of argument, because you will be hurt. You will be hurt very badly. And because right now all the focus should be in protecting your energy, not in arguments, not getting into any kind of discussions which are not fruitful. Like, because what is coming next requires all your energy. What is coming next requires your presence within yourself. So when you are, even if you see that something is being instigated or something is coming, something is triggering you, just be quiet and leave the place if you can. Energetically leave or physically leave, but leave. Okay? Because this will hurt you. This will again bring your wounds. It will again, because like, I will say it has not completely dried up yet. You are still in that phase where it is healing, and you are being told not to meddle with it anymore, because it's very easy to go back. It's very easy to slip back, okay, from what you have healed. You have healed, but right now, protect your energy. Protect your energy completely. It's very important. So no arguments, no fights, no, don't enter any discussion which is not resonating with you. Whether it is with a family member, whether it is with a friend, a colleague, anyone. Just observe things, but protect your energy. Your silence will, speak volumes now. Let your silence speak, because drama will not serve you right now. Drama is not going to serve you. Scattering your energy, wasting your energy is not going to serve you. It will be only waste of time, and you will see at the end of the day that you have come back to square one if you waste your energy. Okay? So do not enter any kind of conclusions also. Don't make any conclusions right now. Let the uncertainty be there, because it's unfolding so much. It is unfolding so much. All right. So today's activity is going to be absolutely in sync with this message.